boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar Paris Jackson. First time here on this channel, yeah, I believe so, pretty sure about that. Still, a great song, Zombies in Love. That title just caught my interest and attention, and here we are. Great song as well, guitar friendly obviously, so let's go into this one. As you can see, Cape on second, absolute best scenario. If you look into the music video, she plays that herself with a cape on second, so that seems to be the perfect match there. So let's go into the chords. We have 6 different chords. Let's start with G first. Third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. Next chord is E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. A minor next, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the C minor, which is a bar chord, so place index finger on this 3rd fret, push down 5 strings if you count from bottom, and up to this position, all strings except from that last E. Then you need to add 5th on D, 5th G, and 4th B. Then we have the B sus4. It's in this open version, so it goes 2nd A, 4th D, 4th G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the C. And that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright guys, so let's learn the strumming pattern. We have 2-part strumming. So yeah, we can learn that with the first chord, G. So grab that one. The first half goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, 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 up. And I like to play the first 2 downs on the bass strings if you just wanna take it one next level, like this, and then the down, down, up on the higher strings. And that's part 1. So part 2 continues on the higher strings, and you're gonna play down, up, down, 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 up. So down, up, down, 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 up. And if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. A couple of rounds. So we're ready for the song. It starts with the first verse, and we're gonna play G, 2 string rounds, 2 full string rounds, E minor, 2 full string rounds, A minor, 1 full round, and C minor, 1 full round. And that's it for the verse. Let's try it out. So G, 2, and E minor, 2, A minor, C minor. And that's the first verse. Then it comes to refrain at 24 seconds in, Zombies in Love. What you're gonna play here now is G, part 1. That's the reason for us having a split there in the strumming. G, part 1, B sus, part 2. So the 2 chords here, G to B sus, they split on 1 full string round. And then you're gonna end with C, 1 full round. You're gonna play that again for a second round. So G part 1, B sus part 2, and C, 1 full round. And then you're gonna finish off with A minor, 1 full round, and C minor, just 1 down with a pause. And the length of that pause after C minor 1 down is as if you would play 1 full string round. Okay, so that will be the end of the refrain. So gonna play it together. So G part 1, B sus part 2, C 1 full round for 2 times, and then A minor 1 full round, C minor 1 down. Let's do it. 3, 4, and next. And just some technical stuff there, from G to B sus. You don't have to release everything and try to get the B sus. You have that bass going on there from the G, the 2nd fret A string. So keep the focus on that, and you keep that during your place of fingers to the B sus. Makes life a little bit easier, the transition from G to B sus. All right, so after that first refrain, you're gonna jump back to play the second verse, and the second verse is played exactly in the same way as the first one we just learned, so no changes there. So after you pass that second verse, you're gonna go into the second refrain, and again, that is just repetition, played exactly in the same way as the refrain we just learned. After the second refrain, you're gonna hit the first chorus at 1 minute and 28 seconds in. This love, that's where on the lyrics. What you're gonna play here now is to start with G, 1 full round, E minor, 1 full round, A minor, 1 full round, C minor, 1 full round. Next half will be the same, G, 1, E minor 1, A minor 1, and C minor, just 1 down and a pause. Okay, so just 1 down and a pause. That pause is as if you would play 1 full string round. Then you're gonna end this chorus with G2, E minor 1, A minor 1, C1. Okay? And that will be the chorus. So let's do it together. G, E minor, A minor, C minor. Again. Actually, my bad there. I forgot about the 1 down in the pause. You have that at this point, and then you're going to continue with G2, E minor 1, A minor 1, C1, like this. And then you go into the refrain part again the third time. You're going to play that for 4 rounds, okay? 4 full rounds of that G part 1, B sus part 2, and C 1 full round. And you're going to end on 1 down on that beautiful G. And that, my friends, is how you handle it. Paris Jackson's Zombies in Love, okay? So if you like this tutorial, then I'm happy, and even happier if you want to support me, okay? So you do that in subscribing to this channel, maybe like this tutorial, leave a comment, maybe I can do something better, or I do something good already. I'm open to get my judgment over YouTube, so leave a comment, interact with me. Hope to see you soon, guys. Next time, play too.